Sky Space, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. Attain the reward of stages that are high or low. These are the stages, great and small, in what we take up and what we discard. This is not a reward that is spontaneously realized. Heroes of the mind who see two blessings succeed by seeing friends. They accept things from others. They are yogins who are mind heroes, who take things up and cast them off. This is not a reward that we do not accept or reject. The generation and perfection of generation, and the generation and perfection of perfection, maintain the blessings and empowerments of the three mandalas of our awareness that gather and spread. They use offerings, recitations, and a circle that expands and contracts. To attain the three realizations of intentional study, they create a major transformation in their abode. They attain the grasp of understanding, but they realize it spontaneously. The four mandalas of secret wisdom, the kissing of the two, methods and wisdom, spinning in the above and dripping to the below, bliss drips down, and the perfection of the three is opened. What is covered over is indestructible, in the center of a white ha. The two 16s hold the consonants. We use methods to join them to a supreme knowledge. Through the application of projections and summaries, this becomes clear. On the ways that hold 2 8s, the letters of our speech rise upward. In their center, a string of vowels circles them this way. It circles them clockwise and counterclockwise, and it spins in the middle. We expand. Then we melt into our own dominion. Enjoyments happen, happiness grows. The wheel that is indestructible has 8 wings. The wisdom of what is real is the root of every virtue. In 4 personal continuums, there are 8 branches. There are 6 seed syllables for the 3 realms of samsara. There are the 3 letters for our body, speech, and mind. There are the 5 heart spells that encourage confidence. Our color and dominion are free from corruption. The true nature of our circle blazes in light.